Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to 1-144 aircraft model kit building. Today, I chose to make the Boeing 777-300ER from Zvezda at 1-144 scale. The kit was first released in 2015. I am presenting you a full build slideshow of the kit building. The kit is numbered 7012. And only proposes decals are for a test airplane having registration November 5016 Romeo or November 5017 Victor. I will use draw decals KLM decals for this kit, with a special 95th anniversary. On October 7, 2014, KLM marked 95 years of continual operation. To mark the monumental event, KLM, the Dutch national carrier, applied 95 years logos to the left side of the fuselage of some of their wide-bodied aircraft. The 777-306ER registered as Papa Hotel Bravo Victor Kilo, and named Yellowstone National Park, carries the 95 years anniversary logo. The plane was ordered new by KLM. Boeing fabricated the plane at its Everett facility in 2013. The plane serial number is 42172. The plane ferried for delivery from Everett to Amsterdam on the 31st of May to 1st of June 2013, and has the fleet number VK032. The plane is equipped with two General Electric's GE90-115B. This kit was made 4 years earlier. I am just releasing the video now. It comes bagged in plastic, looks nice and well designed, details are great and finely molded. This is exactly what you can expect from Zvezda. Instructions are apart in the box. I started to mandel the wings while detaching the fuselage and primer in matte white and paint in light blue, Aquacolor 50, around the windows. I could then have glued the windows. This is the results of the first paints around the fuselage after the two halves have been glued together. Cockpit window was also glued and masked. Weight was also added as bolts and screws in plasticine, and glued inside the halves of the fuselage. This is how it looks after the external paint is dry and windows are masked. I then finished to spray primer on the fuselage. I airbrushed the cockpit window frame. Here is the result. I masked the cockpit window, so that the kit is ready for paint. The kit was then fully airbrushed. I started with the bottom with the light gray from Rayvale, Aquacolor 371, then masked the paint limit and sprayed the light blue, Aquacolor 50, for the top fuselage. Here is the result. And a zoom on the cockpit. Time to start working on the engines. I painted the white spiral on the cone of the air intake under a 10x magnificent lamp, and here is the result of the fan paintwork. Time to prepare the engine nacelles. And here is the result of the engine's paintwork. A look at the intake. Time for decal placing. First, the dark blue stripe down the light blue top fuselage, then, the other decals on the fuselage. Note that I also put the front landing gear in place. While waiting for the fuselage to dry out perfectly, I stated the paint on the wings and elevators. Here is the painted leading edge in aluminum color, Aquacolor 90. I then glued the main landing gear and glued the wings and elevator to the fuselage, and glued the engines to the wings. The painted model on the box cover is presented. Time for the weathering after a diluted varnish was sprayed and dried. The wing spoilers, ailerons and flaps are highlighted with a Washington, the same wash made out of diluted dark brown paint. A retarder and dish soap as surfactant was used for trailing stains. The fully built and finished model is presented hereafter. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like or subscribe.